Okay.
Not the real outside.
Okay.
Maybe nobody's outside.
So stopped to talk to her briefly. So since the safety sitter saw her, she got Mom up and brought her back out into the hallway. So, and then he was home by 10:15 and he was in bed by 11.
Let's play upstairs.
Okay.
Hey, Gavin.
Wanna watch this, Sammy?
What?
I'm
Don't fall.
swept.
What are you doing?
Turning the flashlight off.
Okay, what's my name now?
I don't know.
You don't remember? Uncle? Can you say uncle?
Oh, jeez.
Okay, wait a minute. I gotta stop. Uncle? Andy. Can you say it,
No.
please?
I can't say it.
Yeah, please. Go ahead.
I can't say it.
Yes, you can.
Oh, I can't.
Why not?